Today we have met the Chief Electoral Officer, Election Commission of India, आणि काय grievances regarding SIR आम्ही मांडल्या before him, Albertina, Advocate Albertina and myself. And see, there are a lot of issues still. जरी फायनल रोल आयला जाल्यार सुद्धा बरेचशे इश्यूज आसा. आम्ही तांकां सांगला at least to sensitize the district officer, the district election officer. I'll request Madam to explain.
So we have already in the past raised several issues about the whole SIR process. But to add to that, there is just now also in the final electoral roll, there are many people whose names have been deleted. There are some people whose names have been deleted, and they do not have a reasoned order as to why their names were deleted. To file an appeal, you need to have a reasoned order, which they do not have. So that is an issue that we brought up before the CEO. The other thing is that the time period and such other issues are also something we brought up before the CEO, because the linkage is not being made appropriately, or meaning they're being arbitrary in how they made the linkages. These are issues that we brought up before the CEO, and we are going to be addressing the press. We are going to have a press conference where we will set out all the details about what issues we have had with the entire SIR process to this day, and now also with what happens when now this final roll has been published.
Thank you.